Hello everyone. Do you have any clothes in your closet that you never wear? If the answer is yes, I'll ask you the question. Why in the earth would you spend money on something you'll never put on? The most common answer to this is, at the time I was buying it, it was on sale, so I thought that I liked it. This is the exact mindset the producers want to put you in. They want you to think you like the product. They want you to think the product is valuable, and they want you to think you have to act now. This is a common marketing strategy that is used nearly everywhere today, and it's called the sense of urgency. For those who don't know me, I am Yağız, and today I will be talking about this sense of urgency. My topic is divided into two parts. The first is its effects on the deal evaluation, and the second is anticipated regret. Let's start with its effects on deal evaluation. First of all, what is deal evaluation? To summarize, deal evaluation is all the things you consider while buying a product. To verify this, in their article in 1996 published in Advances in Consumer Research, Woods and Shear says that the perceived value of a product depends on two things. First is the benefits obtained from the product, and the second is the cost incurred while buying the product. That is, for example, while you are buying a shoe, you first think that what benefits will I get from buying this shoe? And second, you ask yourself, am I willing to pay this much money to get these benefits? That is deal evaluation. However, when you see a shiny 50% off on this shoe, this evaluation process gets distorted by some thoughts. Your brain starts to think that, is this really the cost I want it to be? I have to think it really carefully. I have to think it really good, because I might be needed later. So the rational thinking process, the deal evaluation process, gets distorted by these thoughts. So in the end, you make decisions you wouldn't do if you didn't see these shiny 50% off. The second part of my topic is the anticipated regret. While the deal evaluation process gets bypassed by the sense of urgency, it also creates an emotional response in the brain called the anticipated regret. When you see that shiny label on the shoe, you start to think that I don't need it now, but will I need it tomorrow? Because tomorrow the deal will be gone and I won't have the chance to get it from this price. So I might regret it. I might regret not buying the product. So, as every human being do, you start to think that you don't want to regret this decision. So, you end up buying the product. However, more often than not, you end up regretting the fact that buying the product. This is where I stop my presentation. Let me summarize you what I talked about. First, I talked about the sense of urgency, what it is. And then I talked about its effects on deal evaluation. It distorts the deal evaluation process, so you make irrational decisions. And second, it creates an emotional response in the brain, so you start thinking of running away from the pain and regret. So, the next time you are making a purchase, think what I talked about and remember that it is not a good deal unless you were planning to buy in the first place. Thank you for listening to me. These are my references and I'll be glad answering your questions now.